Alright, so what's going on, y'all? So today is the day after the car meet, and y'all know that yesterday I put on LMI intake yesterday, so Supercharger sounding a lot better now. So what we're gonna do right now, obviously we in the car, we're gonna take a drive right now so that y'all can hear the difference in the Supercharger. What I've noticed right off the jump, right, is the fact that the Supercharger doesn't take as much pressure on the pedal as it did before for the Supercharger to sound louder. It probably would have been better for me to get a good comparison if I did pay attention to the stock airbox temps. But so far, man, I love it. It's been doing fairly well. I've been getting been breaking a lot of necks for sure. Hopefully that's coming in as loud as the sound. You gonna take a picture of us? We getting a video of us right now. Yeah, I definitely noticed. There definitely is a big difference in the Supercharger noise once you put on a different intake, for sure. Like right now, the car's pretty warmed up and my intake temps are at 118. It's 80 degrees outside right now. So, like I said, it's pretty consistent around the 120s. It really doesn't go anything higher than 120 unless I'm really pushing the car. And like I said, even when I'm pushing it, the most I've gotten is like 130, 135, maybe 140. As soon as I stop pushing the car, it'll jump right back down to around the 120 area. My God, I love how the Supercharger sound now too. Like, mind you, this is supposed to improve things. For me, it's just wasting more gas because all I do want to do is hear it more now. I do love the way it sounds in eco mode too, because eco mode gives you less power and stuff, so you get to give it more throttle, which pushes more air through the intake, which gives it a louder whine. So eco mode sounds amazing because you're cruising at slow speeds. You can hear it. Another big difference I noticed too, like from 1 to 2 RPM, you can still hear the Supercharger whine. With the stock airbox, you really couldn't hear it. It was like more or less no sound at all. With the LMI intake, you can hear the Supercharger literally from 1,000 RPM all the way to 6. And even at low RPM, you still hear like the small little whine. Like it just sounds amazing. I'm gonna see if I can get some low RPM sounds for y'all because it still sounds amazing at low RPMs. Low FRS, see you. See, I don't know if y'all can hear it right now, but right now I'm at about 1,500 RPM and it's still whining, and you can still hear it pretty clearly, even from the inside of the car. Maybe if I stop talking, you'll be able to hear it. So let me see. I don't know if y'all can hear that or not, but it's just crazy that you can hear that at that low RPM. Like I said, with the stock airbox, you can't hear that Supercharger that low at low RPMs like that. Oh my God, hold on, let me switch it to custom real quick, because the downshifts with the Supercharger are ridiculous. That's my favorite part, is the downshifts. The downshifts sound crazy with the LMI intake. I mean, they sounded good before, but then again, it's not as loud with the stock airbox. It sounds way better with the LMI intake on it. I'm glad I went with this. It was definitely well worth the wait. I'm glad I waited to get it, because it definitely sounds amazing. You like the noise of the car, right?
No.
You don't like it? You don't like the Supercharger noise?
No.
You lying. You know you like that whine, boy. What? What you whining about? Only thing that's supposed to whine in this car is a supercharger. Yo, I promise y'all, I'm gonna do a reaction video to like people on the streets and stuff. Yo, I be getting the craziest looks when I drive past somebody like with their windows down or something like that. They be giving me the weirdest looks. Like, it's crazy. I don't know, man. It's just crazy how loud the supercharger is, and it's so weird because I can only hear from the inside. I can't imagine what people hear on the street or like driving next to the car. Like it must sound ridiculous. That's why I can't wait to I need to have somebody do a drive-by with me outside of the car so I can hear how it sounds. That's the only part that sucks about always being in the car. I can't hear the true sound of it. Dang, my man always in a different car. Toyota nice. Them new Camrys is hot. And my favorite part about it is throwing it in the paddle shifter mode so that I can control the supercharger whine myself. Because the higher RPM you go, the louder it gets. The higher you go in the RPMs, it literally screams right along the RPMs right with you. It's like the craziest thing I've ever experienced. Like right now I'm at like 32 RPMs right now, 3200. And it screams all the way through. It's just ridiculous, bro. I can't get enough of the supercharger. Give y'all a quick downshift. Talking about Chuck E. Cheese? Chuck E. Cheese?
No! Yes, Lord. No! Yes, Lord.
Oh my god, this car sounds crazy.
Let me go there.
I don't think it's open, Javon. I think Chuck E. Cheese is closed, Papa. So I want to put one of the cameras underneath the hood real quick just to show y'all that nice difference.
Can we go Chuck E. Cheese?
Chuck E. Cheese not open, Papa. They closed. It's closed right now. Alright, so let's see if y'all could hear this difference real quick when we just revving it. That joint sounds so crazy. Yeah. Come on, we about to get out. Let's go. So we're on our way back home. I couldn't get the tools I needed because I needed my whole tool set in order to exchange it. And I left some pieces at home, so wasn't able to get that. But I'm gonna give y'all a couple more little pulls. Like it? No? I don't know why my son being funny today. He usually loves looking like. The one thing I don't like is, man, that this performance page do load up mad slow. Sometimes it even frees up on you. I need to do a 5 things I hate and 5 things I love video real soon too. This joint is moving so slow. So right now we're at 140. That's with that little pull. We pulled it down to 135. It's 82 degrees out right now, so. At idle, we doing 145 right now, so that's pretty high. Oh, 150. I gotta make sure my hoses and stuff is still connected. Everything's good, because that seems pretty high. Well, I guess the car's pretty warmed up now. That drive over, the car wasn't fully warm. Oh, I got the AC on too. That probably what was doing it. Oh my God, yo, yo, that supercharger be sounding crazy. I've noticed when the car warms up to its proper temperature, that's when it starts to really get loud too. Oh my God. Superchargers sound crazy. My next video definitely got to be like a video of going around the city letting y'all see how many people be looking crazy when they hear that supercharger noise. My bad, I'm being nosy. Looking at somebody arguing. Alright, I get one more nice little pull before I get. My God, supercharger sound crazy. So I'm gonna put it in second gear right now and just let it scream all the way up. Once you pick up your Hellcat, you'll notice which gears and which RPMs give you the loudest scream from the supercharger. Cause I think third gear is pretty much like the yeah, I think third gear is pretty much the best. Look at this dude right here. Yo, I gotta on another day, man, I'm gonna put the cameras. Look, this dude right here, like he can't even walk straight. Look, he's still looking. That was for you, bro. Whoever that dude was standing at the corner looking. But anyway, I'm gonna put the cameras facing the other way, and I'm gonna see it. Why he trying to speed up? Like, bro, nobody's trying to keep up with you. But I'm gonna put the cameras. Either one camera outside and one camera inside, and we gonna drive around the city. I gotta let y'all see these expressions I be hearing from people, bro. It be crazy, the looks I be getting. Definitely will be doing that pretty soon, cause son, the looks people be giving me be ridiculous. Like, I know before I got my car, like, when I seen a Hellcat, I would look, but I don't know. It was weird though, because when I would see a Hellcat, I didn't really hear the supercharger, so. But maybe because every Hellcat I seen, they had a stock airbox or something. And like I said, at low speeds, you can't really hear the supercharger. Or any time you're not giving it a lot of gas, you really can't hear the supercharger. So, but me and Javon are home. We back home. So that's the end of this video, man. We done for the day. You have fun? You want to drive the car? All right. Well, I'm gonna let you drive around the circle one time, okay? Let you drive around the circle one time, okay? And then we go home. But that's all I got for y'all today, man. We out. Y'all stay tuned for the next video, man. I'm out. Peace. The next video I think I'm gonna do is I'm definitely gonna put the cameras outside, and we're gonna do a reaction to the supercharger with people on the streets, cause this joint be sounding crazy, y'all. I'm telling y'all. So I think that's what I'm gonna do the next video on for sure, cause I think y'all like the expressions and some of the faces I be getting, like with the car. Y'all got nothing to say? Y'all wanna say bye?
Yeah.
You don't never want to say bye no more, but that's all we got for today, man. We're gonna see y'all in the next video, man. I'm out. Peace.